Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Ticketmaster in 2026. Now, if you prefer PayPal instead of a credit card, this updated method will walk you through the exact steps so that your purchase goes through smoothly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com, then simply log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, use the search bar on the top. Then you are going to see all of the recently viewed plus some of the trending events. So here, simply click on this search bar, then simply look for the trending events. Now, once you are here on the event page, it is going to look something like this. So here, simply click on the option of the buy or find out. Afterwards, you need to select your seat and tap on the option of checkout. Now on the checkout page, you need to choose how do you want to your tickets to be delivered, like with the help of your mobile or PDF. So this choice shows before the payment. When you reach the payment method, simply look for the option of PayPal. When you are able to find the PayPal option, simply select that option. If you don't see PayPal, it means that event or the region might not support it. If that's the case, you need another payment method. But when you see the PayPal option, you just have to simply select it. Then when it redirects you on the official website of PayPal, you need to provide your PayPal email address and password. Make sure that you choose the funding source inside PayPal, which can be the linked bank account or any of the cards. After that, simply confirm your payment. After confirming the PayPal, you will return to Ticketmaster, and when you go to your order history, you just have to basically look for the option of pay now or place order. So your purchase will go through immediately if everything checks out. So once your order is completed, you will find your tickets inside the My Ticket section here in the upcoming events. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.